Hello friends, you're welcome back to our channel, the Chima Dedicated Video channel. In this video I want to show you a newly launched system income program, and what this video is all about is exactly how to register. If you don't follow the guide in this video, you are going to mess yourself up because the system has its own pattern. So I want to show you exactly how to register with this system and begin to explore every other thing you need to do to be part of this system, and it's launching fully today. So this is the right time to start with this. So just follow this video one after the other. Just follow me as I put you through on how to get started with this income system. Don't miss it. Let's go right now. So the first step is to get the link. You are going to see the sign up link and you click on it. So once you click on it, you are going to find yourself here. Now you are seeing all of this. This is your referrals code. So it's going to be there. You put your email, choose your country code, so it's for everyone, and then choose your mobile number and all that. But when you look at this place, don't go through this way first. Let me show you what to do. Let's quickly click on this sign up on top here. Just watch me. Once you are here, please click on this. Watch. Now, as we are at this point right now, you are here now, having clicked on that sign up and you are here, see the next thing you do, just click on sign up. You don't have account. And even you have account now, you begin to put your this and others. But you don't have account, just click on sign up. That's how to follow. That's why I say you have to follow this video. If not, you're going to run into trouble. So click on sign up. And that's where the process starts now. Let's do it. You see it. Are you seeing that what you are seeing here now is quite different from what you saw the other part? Am I right? So let's go through this way. In this case now, the only thing here is that you need to make sure you copy the invite code of the person referring you. Please do way to do that. Yes, even though it's optional, you may not put it, but try to put it there. Try to do it. Put the invite code of that person. It's very, very, very important. Let's go now. So I'm going to put my username, my email, my password and all that. And I'm going to put the invite code. The invite code is this. Please do where to get the invite code to put it. Now I put my username. I set up all of this and I'm going to show you. Now, having done all of that, can you see the system says referral found? That means this invite code is correct. Now, I play with you because I'm going to share my link with you. Try to put this invite code. If you don't put invite code, what? You won't lose anything. You can still register because it's optional, or you will make me to lose some referral commissions. Now that I put this invite code, my referral is going to earn commission from my efforts. That's important. So I'm going to click on sign up right now. Just watch. You see it? I've signed up. So I'm not right there on the system. So this is exactly how to, you see, it's a mining system. You can see everything about the crypto is also showing here. Now you can see all of these places. That's the most important areas to begin to navigate. You're going to see your home page, which is what you're saying. You're going to see the charts. You're going to see the AI table. You're going to see your profile. If you click on profile, you're going to see a lot of things there. So the first thing you're going to do now is to make deposit. But let's click on profile because that's where you're going to see every option of what you need to do. You make a deposit. Yes, you see, for now I don't have any deposits, so I'm going to make a deposit. If I want to make a deposit, I'm going to click here to make a deposit. It's after my deposit now I begin to make a choice of my package. What package do I want to run with? And that's exactly how this works. Now I'm going to stop this video at this point because this is all about registration. So the video on how to make deposit properly and begin to invest and start, earning, you are going to see that video next. So I'm encouraging you to subscribe to this channel if you have not done so. follow us and let's see how this work. You can be part of this, can make real money. I wish you the best. I stop at this moment. Thanks for watching.